when it comes to a wash, dry, folding service, you don't have to own your own laundromat. The biggest mistake, or one of the biggest entry to barriers that the laundromat space has, is that most people think that you have to have your own laundromat to be able to do business doing laundry, to make money doing laundry. And that couldn't be further from the truth. And the reason why starting your own wash, dry, fold service is recommended and something that you should be looking into, something that you should be watching more of these videos, it's because at the end of the day, the barrier to entry is super low, meaning you can get in with simply less than $1,000. Okay, I'm talking about $500 for the software, $500 for ads, and you're getting going, and you're gonna get your first couple of customers literally within the first month. And if you want to know more, send me an email, leave a comment below, and we'll talk about it. Watch some more videos. But at the end of the day, the wash, dry, folding service, you do not need your own laundromat. And by not having your own laundromat, these are the expenses that you save. You don't have to pay for your own place renting. You don't have to pay for utility. You don't have to pay for the machines. You don't have to pay for the water. You don't have to pay for the maintenance. You don't have to pay for the employees that are there, especially if they have some full service laundromats. You don't have to pay for anything that has to do with the laundromat. All you simply do is have somebody that's there, that's an employee that's working there the whole day, or however many hours you need, or whatever the peak traffic hours is. You literally just have somebody there washing the clothes, drying the clothes, folding the clothes, hanging the clothes, and then somebody who's dropping it off, picking up, dropping off, picking up, dropping off, picking up. Meaning by just having a driver and somebody who's willing to sit there and do laundry, you could be making thousands of dollars a week, thousands of dollars a month, thousands of dollars a year, simply just by organizing the flow, just by setting it up. And like I said, it takes simply little to no money to do it, because the way the people get paid, the way the drivers get paid is they get paid per pickup. They get paid per drop off. And if there's no pickup, there's no drop off, then you don't have to worry about paying them. And if they do pick it up and drop it off, you already have the money, so you can pay them. And it's one of those things where the drivers pay for themselves, the employees pay for themselves, the washers and dryers pay for themselves, and at the end of the day, you have a little bit of profit left over. The wash, dry, folding service is something that you need to be looking into. You need to be watching more videos, and it's something that you need to be paying attention to, because just like when DoorDash first came out, there was a lot of people that were sleeping on it, and now DoorDash is big. Everybody wants to be a DoorDash driver. Same with the Airbnb. When it first came out, not everybody wanted to be in it, and now everybody's trying to be an Uber driver and do Airbnb and stuff like that. So it's one of those things where the wash, dry, folding service industry is growing. It's coming up. A lot of laundromats are simply, people are buying laundromats just to do this. There are laundromats that are closing on weekends just because they want to wash, dry, and fold. Especially if you get a commercial contract where there are companies that are sending you a bunch of towels or a bunch of linens or a bunch of bed sheets or whatever it is that they're sending you weekly, daily, or even monthly. You are bound to make a lot of money. And like I said, you don't have to worry about paying people until you get the loads, because the loads is what people are getting paid off of. Okay, so at the end of the day, like I said, like a wash, dry, folding business is something that you want to look into, something that you want to start, something that you want to actually do more research on. And like I said, if you have any questions, watch this video here and it'll sum it up, because at the end of the day, it's really easy to promote, it's really easy to start, and it's really easy to scale. Okay, so if you have any more questions, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.